Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is variance and standard deviation. Let's get going on this. You are going to need a calculator and a piece of paper to do this, unless you can write on your screen, which I don't think you can. Okay, standard deviation and the variance. So, how did I teach this? I'm going to teach it like this. 8, 8, 2, 1, 6. I need to find the average of those numbers, and the average there is 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 divided by 5. My average is 5. I have to find the deviation. Don't worry about positive or negative since it's not going to matter when we square it. So 8 minus 5 is 3, 3, 3, 4, 1, right? 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 6 minus 5. Square each of those. 9, 9, 9, 16, 1. Now you have to find the average of that. So the average of that is 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 16 plus 1 divided by 5. Takes me to 8.8. Round it to the nearest tenth. It's 8.8. It's asking for the variance, not the standard deviation. If I took the square root of that, I'd get the standard deviation, but it's not asking for the standard deviation, it's asking for the variance, so it's asking for 8.8. Clear all, 8.8, and let's see if I got it right. And if not, we're gonna see what they said. Hey, Mr. Barr got it right. Okay, we're gonna do the variance again. 5, 5, 3, 3, 8, 5, 6. Start by finding the average of that. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 7. Okay, I've got my average as being 5. Okay, so there's my median or my average, not my median, my mean or my average. So I'm going to subtract it and find my deviation. My deviation there is 0, 0, 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 0, 1. Square each of those, 0, 0, 4, 4, 9, 0, 1. Find the average of that, so 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 divided by 7. Gives me an average of 2.57, which rounds to 2. So it's 2.57 with the good rounding. It's a 2.6. 2.6. Keep it up. Okay, this time I'm finding a standard deviation, so I'll have to take the square root at the end. See that standard deviation? 5, 9, 2, 1, 3, 1, 7. The average here, 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 4. So my mean is 4. So here's my mean. My deviation is 1, my deviation is 5, my deviation is 2, 3, 1, 3, 3. There are my deviations, squaring them. Find the average of that, which is the variance. 1 plus 25 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 divided by 7. Okay, that's 8.2857, 8.285. Actually, it would be 8.2857. Okay, don't round it yet. Take the square root of that number or whatever you got in your calculator, square root of the answer, and that gives me 2.878. 2.87, which is going to round to a 2.9, And hopefully it's happy with the way I rounded. I didn't round here, I rounded at the end, 2.9. I'm hoping 2.9, standard deviation, 2.9. Come on, Mr. Barr. Yes! Good job, Mr. Barr. How many problems have I done? It's only 3 questions and I'm up to an 82. 3 questions to get to an 82. Okay, let's do one more. What is the standard deviation? Okay, I got it. 4, 4, 8, 2, 8. Finding the mean of this, 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8. That's 26 divided by 5 is 5.2. Ugh. 5.2, 5.2, 5.2, 5.2, 5.2. Okay, 5.2 minus 4 is 1.2. 5.2 minus 4 is 1.2. 8 minus 5.2, 8 minus 5.2 is 2.8. 2.8, so it's 2.8. And then this is 5.2 minus 2, which is 3.2. All right, there are all my deviations. Now I have to square all those deviations. 1.2 squared is 1.44. 2.8 squared is 7.84. And then 3.2 squared is 10.24. Okay, we're going to add those guys together and divide by 5. So we're finding the mean of that, 1.44 plus 1.44 plus 7.84 plus 10.24 plus 7.84 divided by 5 gives me 5.76. 5.76 is my variance. If I take the square root of that, I get the standard deviation, which is 2.4. Huh. That worked out really cleanly. 2.4? 2.4. 2.4. Dude, I so get crazy. All that work, and if it's wrong, oh, challenge zone, Mr. Barr. Oh my goodness. All right. So, yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it. Yes. Yes. And if you have really good calculators, they'll do it for you. There are probably online calculators that also do this, but you won't be able to use them on a test. So learn how to use them, how to do standard deviation with just a simple calculator, a basic scientific. Actually, does this thing have a... I wonder, does this thing have a standard deviation function? That's a good... It's got some stats features on it. You know what? There might be a standard deviation function on this where you just type the numbers in and hit a button and it does it. But I do not know how to do it on this calculator. Hey, that's it. Still, that's my video for today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.